All teas, whether they're green, black, white, oolong, or pu'er, come from this one plant, Camellia sinensis. But it's how the plant's leaves are processed that makes all the difference. Most tea leaves come from farms, but they also grow wild all over the mountains of China. They're hard to find, but we found a couple who's really good at it. And twice a year, in the spring and autumn, they'll forage for leaves to make their own tea. Xudu and Benyan run a hostel in the countryside, and one of their hobbies is picking tea leaves in the wild.
我们就发现了这样一个山谷，青山绿水的，那个水也干净，所以它一定是所有的植物非常好的。我们开始种菜啊，采野茶，就在这个山谷里面采摘野茶。
然后就是说，走好多路可能才能找到几片。所谓的野茶都是在丛林里面去找的，没有化肥，没有农药，没有人工管理。
After they gather the leaves, they lay them out to dry and group them by size. The larger leaves are used to make black tea, and the more tender buds for green tea. To make green tea, the leaves are quickly pan-fried at a high temperature to stop the oxidation process.
在锅里面把这个青草味给杀掉。
They're then gently rolled to draw out the moisture.
然后把它风干了就可以，因为绿茶比较简单，它不存在这个发酵的一个过程。那么这个红茶的话，制作可能就比绿茶的工艺要复杂一点。
To make black tea, the leaves are first rolled to break down the cell membranes of the leaf tissues, and then left to oxidize overnight and turn dark in color. The next day, they are dried and ready to be brewed.
然后当我们在遇见水的时候，那个茶叶就是产生了第二次的生命。
有那种兰花的兰香和就是糯糯的那种口感。
我整个春季都在这里，就是会采一些茶做茶，然后每个采好茶之后，我们会有一个标签，打好标签，记录好时间，记录好做的发酵的过程，整个过程我就贴在那个标签上面。
它会有各种香味在里面，就是野茶你看到了，就是有很多的植物包围着它，你懂吗？所以说它出来的那个味道跟茶园里的味道是不同的。我觉得在这里最幸福的就是可以有好的空气、好的水，然后还有这个好人在身边一起。
好山好水好东方。
对啊。
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video on tea picking. What was really cool was how easy it actually is to make your own tea. Granted, you need access to wild tea trees and not everyone has that, but hey, if you do and you watch this video, please make some wild tea for us. For more videos on tea, which we have plenty of, please check out the links below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Goldthread, too.